In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for HR. We'll walk through setting up a simple but powerful HR board that you can use for recruiting, onboarding, employee management, and more. I'll guide you step by step so you can follow along inside your own Monday.com account. First, log into your Monday.com workspace. On the left-hand side, look for the workspace where you want your HR board to live. This might be a general company workspace or one specifically for HR. To add a new board, move your mouse to the right side of the workspace name and click the plus icon. Hover over board, then click New Board. A pop-up will appear asking how you want to create it. You may see an option to build a board with AI, but for this walkthrough, choose the manual option. Give your board a clear name, like HR Management or Recruitment Pipeline. Then select what you're managing on the board and choose the privacy setting that fits your needs, such as main, private, or shareable. When you're done, click Create Board. Now you're on your empty HR board, and it's time to add the columns you'll use to track information. Go to the far right of your columns and click the plus icon. From here, you can search for and select different column types. For HR, an item column will usually represent an employee, an applicant, or a specific HR task. Add a status column to track progress. For example, active, onboarding, probation, completed, or pending. Then add a people column so you can assign each employee or task to a specific HR team member. A date or timeline column is helpful to track start dates, interview dates, probation end dates, or performance review deadlines. You can also add a drop-down or tags column for departments, job roles, leave types, or employment status. A text or long text column gives you space for notes, interview feedback, or comments. Add a files column to attach resumes, offer letters, contracts, or policy documents, and a numbers column for things like salary, performance scores, or leave balances. If you need to delete a column, hover over the column header, click the three-dot More Options icon, and select Delete. To rename a column, click directly on the header text and type your new label. To update values, click any cell under a column and enter the information. You can rearrange columns by hovering over the header until your cursor turns into a hand, then dragging the column left or right to reorder it. For collecting information from others, use forms. Add a form view to your board and map your form fields to your columns. This is perfect for job applications, leave requests, or internal HR requests. Every time someone fills out the form, Monday.com will automatically create a new item on your HR board with all the details filled in. To keep your board organized, use groups. Groups let you categorize employees or tasks in a way that makes sense for your process. For example, you might create groups such as applied, interviewed, hired, and onboarded for a recruitment pipeline. Or set up groups by department, like marketing, sales, IT, and HR. You can also organize by time period, like March hires and April hires, to quickly see who joined when. Remember, your HR board is fully customizable. As your processes evolve, you can tweak your columns, forms, and groups to match what your team needs. The goal is to create a single place where you can see the full picture of your HR work, from applications all the way through ongoing employee management.